Imagine you bought a big piece of land. It's just one giant open field, no walls, no rooms, nothing. Anyone standing on it can see everyone, hear everyone. That's basically what a network looks like before subnetting. Now you decide to build a house on that land. Instead of leaving it open, you put up walls and create rooms, a bathroom, a living room, a kitchen. They're all still on the same plot of land, but now there's privacy and structure. Someone in the bathroom can't see what's happening in the living room, even though they're just a few feet apart. That's exactly what subnetting does to a network. Subnetting takes one big network and divides it into smaller, separate sections called subnets. Each subnet acts like its own room, devices inside it talk to each other directly, but traffic going to a different subnet has to pass through a door, which in networking is a router. Why bother? Same reasons you'd want rooms in a house. Privacy and security. Devices in one subnet are isolated from devices in another. Organization. You can group devices by department, floor, or function. And less noise. Broadcast traffic, like someone shouting in an open field, stays contained to its own room instead of spreading across the whole property. So how do you actually build the walls? That's the subnet mask. Every IP address has two parts, the network part, which house you're in, and the host part, which room number you are. The subnet mask is the blueprint that decides where the wall goes. Now here's the catch with basic subnetting. By default, every room comes out the same size. Split your land into 4 subnets, and you get 4 equally sized rooms, say, 62 spots each, whether you need them or not. But real life doesn't work that way. Your living room needs to fit 20 people. Your bathroom only needs space for 1. Building them the same size wastes land you could have used elsewhere. That's the problem VLSM solves. VLSM stands for Variable Length Subnet Masking, and all that means is rooms of different sizes, built to fit how many people actually use them. Instead of forcing every department onto the same size subnet, VLSM lets you say, this office has 100 people, give it a big room. This other office has 5 people, give it a small one. You're not wasting land IP addresses on a giant room for 2 people, and you're not cramming 100 people into a closet either. So, subnetting builds the walls and creates the rooms. VLSM makes sure each room is built to the right size for what's actually inside it, saving space, and making the whole network easier to manage.